This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Ford Escape plug-in hybrid. First, let's understand the two primary charging levels, Level 1 and Level 2. You'll find the charging port conveniently located on the driver's side front fender. We'll cover the necessary equipment for both home and public charging, ensuring you're ready to power up your vehicle wherever you are. It's simpler than you might think to keep your Escape PHEV ready for your next journey. Level 1 charging is incredibly convenient, as it uses a standard 120-volt household outlet. You simply plug your vehicle into any compatible wall socket using the included charging cord. This method adds approximately 3 to 4 miles of electric range per hour. While it's the slowest option, a full charge from empty typically takes about 10 to 11 hours, making it perfect for overnight charging at home. For much faster charging, Level 2 is your go-to option. This method utilizes a 240-volt power source, similar to what large appliances use. With Level 2, your Escape plug-in hybrid can gain around 27 miles of electric range per hour. This means a complete charge from empty takes only about 3.5 hours. You can find Level 2 chargers at many public stations and can also install one at home. To get the most out of your Ford Escape plug-in hybrid, make charging a regular habit. Plugging in whenever possible ensures you maximize your electric driving range, saving on fuel costs. When you're out and about, take advantage of public Level 2 charging stations for quick top-ups. For ultimate convenience and speed at home, consider installing a dedicated Level 2 charger. These simple practices will keep your Escape PHEV performing its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.